Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Pocket Rocket Garage, and in today's video we're going to be making a small modification to the Skoda Yeti. Now, if you're wondering why I've only got two wind deflectors for the windows, it's because when I bought the Skoda Yeti it already had the two front wind deflectors fitted. Now, these are Team Heko Wind Deflectors. They're quite expensive, and I managed to pick these up from a Skoda Yeti breakers, so they were fairly cheap. I've got to add some double-sided tape to the edges, but I didn't realise they hadn't come with the mounting clips. So I've managed to find those. I purchased them from eBay. From what I've seen, they're fairly simple to fit, but saying that, I won't know till I try. So I'm going to grab a few small tools, we'll get the camera outside, and we'll get fitting them. Now, I've pressed the button multiple times, I've turned the car on and off, but this is as far as the window goes down on the rear windows. Now, it must be a safety feature, so let me know in the comments if you've got a Skoda Yeti and this is the case. I'm going to grab the tools and then we'll get fitting these wind deflectors. Now, I have had to look online to see which way round these go, and it does look like the Team Heko logo goes at the rear, the same as it is here at the front. So the logo's at the rear of the window here. Now, after finally deciding which way round the wind deflectors went, I added some double-sided tape in 4 positions and they were ready to fit. So all you've got to do is remove the double-sided tape and this will hold them into position until you fit the clips. So I'm just fitting the first wind deflector, fairly simple, just put it up into position, into the channel where the window sits and just push it in place as best you can. And it should hold there using the double-sided tape. And now these are the clips I'm using, and obviously the triangle faces towards you. This is the tab that sort of hooks in and it won't let it come out. So I'm using a piece of 5mm thick steel and just putting the clip on top and then pushing it home into the channel as far as it will go. I did try using a screwdriver, but I did drop a few of the clips, so I thought if by using a piece of metal that will help. So it's onto the second window, and now this one seemed a little bit harder to fit, so I had to bend it just to get it into position. And once that's in place, you'll see that the clip just sits on top of the 5mm thick bit of metal, and then I can push that right into the channel, again as far as it will go. Now, each wind deflector only has 2 metal clips. I did double check this by looking at the front wind deflectors, and I've put them in the same locations, one each end. And once the window goes up, it really does push them into position. Well, they're fairly sturdy, so now these wind deflectors are fitted, I've got the front and the rear, they look really good. Why they only fitted the front, I don't know, but I think it's changed the appearance of the Yeti, and it looks even better. So if you like the content and you want to see more videos, click that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all on the next video.